Germinating chili seeds is a little tricky. You might notice it takes up to 3 weeks to germinate naturally. But in this method, you can see sprouts in just 5 to 7 days. It's very easy to grow best chili plants from your kitchen and it's totally free. Here I am using 2 to 3 dry red chilies from my kitchen. Now you have to separate the seeds. You don't have to throw it away, you can use the red chilies in your recipes. Now we need a tissue paper. Paper towel, filter paper or even newspaper is an excellent medium for germinating seeds. Now place the red chili seeds on half of the paper and fold the other half over the seeds. Use a spray bottle filled with tap water to moisten the tissue paper. They are pathogen free and make it easy to control the moisture content for chili seeds germination. Place the wet tissue paper with seeds inside a Ziploc bag or a container. Now set the container anywhere out of direct sunlight. You have to keep it at room temperature. This container acts like a miniature greenhouse that retains heat and moisture. You should observe seed sprouting in about 5 to 7 days. After 12 to 15 days, you can see the green part. Now it's time to move the sprouted seeds to soil. Here I am using a soil block tray. In this step, you have to be very careful because the germinated seeds are very tiny and soft. So use your finger to make holes in your potting soil or soil blocks. Then transfer one sprouted chili seeds to each hole. Gently cover with dry soil. Make sure that the leaves are above the soil. Then moist the soil surface. Move it to a warm place and keep the soil moist with a spray bottle. The seedlings are ready to move outside after a few more weeks of growing. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more garden tips. See you in the next video.